In this video, I will show you how to check RAM type in Windows. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So you may be wanting to check your RAM type to see if it's like a DDR3, DDR4, or even like a DDR5. Now the best way to do this is to actually use an app. So what you're going to want to do first is open up a new internet browser. And what you want to do is come across to google.com. Now into the Google search box, you want to go ahead and type CPU-Z and then press enter. And it's going to be the top result, which is the official website, which is cpuid.com. So you just want to come across this website. Then what you need to do is just scroll down a bit until you get to classic versions and click onto the purple setup button here. So there's going to be a couple of ads that pop up, but that's absolutely fine. You can just go ahead and close these off. Then what you need to do is make sure you click the purple download now button on the next screen, and this is going to download this onto your PC. If it does come up saying blocked, just click onto here and click on download unverified file. It's absolutely fine to use, it's completely safe. So you just want to go ahead and download that. So once that's done, here we are back on our desktops. Now what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and open up your File Explorer. So you come down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, click File Explorer and just open this up. And then from here, if you come to this left hand side, and what you want to do is locate the downloads folder, give that a click, and you should see the setup in there. So just double click to run the setup. Then what you can do is read through and accept the agreement and press next, and then press next again to go ahead and install this onto your PC. Just takes a minute or two to do this. Don't need to worry about the README. You can untick that box and click finish. And we should now have this installed on our PC. So you can see it's here on the desktop. So all you need to do now is double click to open this up. As you can see, that's currently loading through and it just takes a minute to do this. And on here you can see some information about your PC, so it's going to give you things like your processor and things like that. However, we want to check our RAM type. So RAM is actually memory, so if you come up to these tabs at the top, and all you want to do is click onto the memory tab. In the memory tab, you're going to see under general the type. So you can see for my case it says DDR3. For you it might be something different like DDR4 or 5. And we can see some additional information such as, for example, the channel, the frequency and some other information. But that is how to check the RAM type in Windows. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.